In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply Kam Snaps and the tools you're going to need in order to do this. Hi guys, I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation, and every single Wednesday I upload a video all about how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. So this is what the Kam Snaps look like. You'll get like a male and a female part that snap together, and they'll generally be in separate bags. And then these are the closures that you attach these parts to, and this will be in another separate bag. I have one of these tools that helps to pierce a hole in the fabric. Then this tool here actually applies the Kam Snap onto the fabric. In my store, I generally use Kam Snaps on my canvas bags. You can find them on babies, bibs, and anything just to close something together. I'm going to do this on 2 layers of cotton, but if you are doing this for a baby's bib and you're using terry cloth, I would highly recommend that in between the 2 terry cloth layers, you put some form of stabilization in there, be it some tearaway stabilizer or something that isn't going to dissolve in the wash, because them snappers are going to take some force over time when you're snapping and unsnapping them, so you need some sort of stabilization between them layers. If you're doing this on canvas or on cotton, you should be fine. So if you're doing this on a bag, you would need to find a center. In order to make the hole, just fold your item in half and just make a crease. Then get your pliers, and we're just going to pierce a hole wherever it's needed. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to start with this side of the Kam Snap first. So I'm going to get this end here. I'm going to put it on the back side of the fabric. Then I'm going to sit my other part on top like so. Then basically you're going to get your tool. You need to rest everything on top, so you see that part there is at the top where it's going to get pushed down into place. And then you just get the pliers and you press it down really hard, and then inside of here a prong comes down and flattens that pointy part that was previously up flat, and it locks the Kam Snap into place. So now I'm working with my last part here. I'm going to get my fabric, I'm going to fold it in half again like so. Then I'm going to get my hole maker or pliers, whatever you want to call them, and you are going to make that hole like so. Then we're going to get this part here with the pointy side and place it underneath the fabric. And then you're going to put the top part on like so. Then once again we are going to place that under here, so this part is facing up. And then we're going to press really firmly, and that part once again will be squished down and it will be anchored into place like so. Now we have 2 finished snappers, and all you have to do is put them both together and it's closed, and then just pull it apart, nice and secure. So what do you guys think? Have you ever used these before? Are you going to use them? Let me know in the comments down below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I upload videos every single Wednesday and I don't want you missing my next video. See you next week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.